Hi guys, let's look at the next question. But before we start this video, let's quickly revise the six trigonometrical ratios and how to remember them. We have SOHCAHTOA, which means sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Ka, which means cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and toa, which means tan is equal to opposite upon adjacent. We can also remember this as osha chota, which is more a Hindi term. So this is sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite upon adjacent. There is one more way which is purely Hindi, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So the first one is sine, the second is cos, and the third is tan. We have reciprocal relations of them. Sine reciprocal is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, and the reciprocal of tan is cot. And then the last one, tan of an angle is equal to sine of an angle divided by cos of that angle. Perfect. Now that we've quickly revised this, let's go ahead and solve some questions. So question number 14. It says given 5 cos A minus 12 sin A is equal to 0. Which means we need to calculate the value of something. Okay. So again, let's draw a rough diagram for our understanding. Let's say this is angle A, this is B, and this is C. So what's given is 5 cos A minus 12 sin A is equal to 0, which means 5 cos A is equal to 12 sin A, which means sin A upon cos A is equal to 5 upon 12. Now in this case, this is equal to tan A, and in this specific diagram, the way we've done it, tan A would be equal to perpendicular, which is BC, upon base, which is AB. Like I said earlier, this is a ratio, which means BC is not equal to 5, it is equal to 5, a factor of 5. So let BC is equal to 5x. So if this is 5x, AB is equal to 12x. Therefore, AB is equal to 12x. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem in a right triangle ABC, what I get is AC square is equal to 5x whole square plus 12x whole square, which is 25x square plus 144, that's 169, which means this is 13x. So AC is equal to 13x. Now that I have all values of all three sides, I should be able to figure out sin A plus cos A. Let's just substitute values. So sin A plus cos A upon, let's first find them and then I'll substitute. Let's first find sin A. So sin A would be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is 5x upon 13x, which is 5 by 13. Next, cos A would be equal to base, which is AB upon hypotenuse, which is 12x upon 13x, which is 12 by 13. Now let's substitute values. Sin A plus cos A upon 2 cos A minus sin A. This would be sin A is 5 by 13 plus 12 upon 13 divided by 2 times cos A 12 by 13 minus sin A 5 by 13. So in the numerator, let's take the LCM, which is 13 only. So this is 5 plus 12 upon 13 divided by, this is 24 minus 5 upon 13. This is 17 upon 13 multiplied with 13 upon 24 minus 5, that's 19. So this is equal to 17 upon 19. That's the final answer. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 18. Very interesting question. In rhombus ABCD, diagonals AC and BD meet at point O. So I've already made this rough diagram, not given in the question, but for our understanding I've made it. Cosine of angle CAB, which is this angle which I have referenced it here, this is equal to 0.6. But where is the right angle? I need to find a right angle triangle. Now we know a property that in a rhombus, one, all sides are equal. Next, the diagonals bisect each other at right angle, which means this is right angle, which means AO and CO are equal, and DO and BO are equal. So let's just write that down. In a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So this is something which is very important. You will need to know this and remember this for you to be able to apply anything in this chapter. So number 2, what it means is, therefore angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. What it also means is OA is equal to OC is equal to AC upon 2, and OB is equal to OD is equal to BD upon 2. Next, OB is given equal to 8 centimeter. So this is given equal to 8 centimeter, which means BD is equal to 16 centimeter. What do we have to calculate? We need to calculate the length of the side and the diagonal. So we've already calculated one. This is 8, this is 8. Next, one cosine is given. So cos of angle CAB. So let's look at this right triangle OAB. So in triangle OAB, if I need to calculate cos of this angle, it will be base upon hypotenuse. Base is OA and hypotenuse is AB. And this is given equal to 0.6. I can write this as 6 upon 10, which means 3 upon 5. Yes, this is 3 upon 5. Now again, this value of OA is not necessarily 3, it's a factor of 3. So let OA is equal to 3x, therefore AB is equal to 5x. So this is 3x, this is 5x. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, which should be, we should be able to get the value of OB in terms of x. We already know the value of OB, so we should be able to solve it. So in triangle OAB using Pythagoras theorem, what I get is 5x whole square is equal to 3x whole square plus OB square, which means OB would be equal to 25x square minus 9x square, which is 16x square, which means this is 4x. So OB is equal to 4x, which means OB is equal to 4x is equal to 8 centimeter, which means x is equal to 2 centimeter. Done. We need to calculate diagonal. We've calculated one diagonal. We need to calculate the other diagonal. So AO would be 3x, which is 6 centimeter. We know AC is equal to 2 times AO, which means it would be 12 centimeter. So the second diagonal is 12. First diagonal was 16. All sides are equal. So AB is equal to 5x, which is 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. So the length of the sides is 10 centimeter and the diagonals are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 20. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Diagram not given, so I have already constructed a diagram for our convenience. Yes, AD is perpendicular to BC. Sin B, which is we are looking at this reference angle, is equal to 0.8. So sin B would be perpendicular, which is AD upon hypotenuse, which is AB. This is given equal to 0.8, which is 8 upon 10, which is 4 upon 5. So let AD is equal to 4x, therefore AB is equal to 5x. So this is 4x, this is 5x. Again, using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABD, we'll get BD is equal to 3x. This is a 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet. But BD is already given equal to 9 centimeter. Yes, 9 centimeter. BD is equal to 3x is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, x is equal to 3 centimeter. We need to find AB. Now, AB is equal to 5x, which is 15 centimeter. Done. Next part, AD. AD is equal to 4x, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Done. Next part, AC. Anything else given? Oh, tan C is given. So I think we'll need to apply tan C now. So I am now looking at this reference angle. Tan C would be equal to perpendicular, which is AD upon base, which is CD, and this is given equal to 1. What it means is AD is equal to CD. What it means is AD is equal to CD is equal to 12 centimeter. So CD is done, 12 centimeter. Now, so this is 12, this is 12, this is 15, this is 9. We need to calculate AC. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So in a right triangle ACD using Pythagoras theorem. So this ACD is basically a isosceles triangle because AD and CD are equal. So what it means is AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, which is 12 square plus 12 square, which is 144 plus 144. Therefore, AC would be equal to 144 plus 144. This is 2 times 144, which means this is 12 root 2 centimeter. So AC is equal to 12 root 2 centimeter. Done. That part of the question is also done. Let's look at the next one. The next question that we do is question number 22. Question number 22 says sin A is equal to cos A. Let's just draw a rough diagram and see what it means. Okay, so A, B and C. What is given is sin A would be equal to perpendicular, which is BC upon AC, and cos A would be equal to base, which is AB upon AC. Now since sin A is equal to cos A, what it means is BC upon AC is equal to AB upon AC. What it means is AB is equal to BC. So AC and AC gets cancelled. What we have is AB is equal to BC. So AB and BC are equal. This is an isosceles triangle. So let AB is equal to BC is equal to x. So if this is x, this is x, applying Pythagoras theorem, this would be x root 2. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC would be equal to x square plus x square the square root, which means AC is equal to x root 2. Good, we've got some values now, all three sides known. Let's calculate these specific ones that they've asked. So tan A would be equal to perpendicular, which is BC, upon base, which is AB, which means this would be 1. Next is sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos, which means hypotenuse upon base. In this case, x root 2 upon x, which means this is equal to root 2. Next, let's substitute values. So 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5 would be equal to 2 multiplied with 1 square minus 2 multiplied with root 2 whole square plus 5. So this is 2. This is 2 multiplied with 2 plus 5. This is 2 minus 4 plus 5. This is 7 minus 4, which is 3. Done. That's the value of this is 3. Good. I hope you realize drawing a rough diagram definitely helps. Let's look at the next question that I do. The next question I do is question number 23. Question number 23 says, in rectangle ABCD, BD is equal to 26 centimeter. So one diagonal is given. Chord of angle ABD, which means we are looking at this reference angle. Since it's a rectangle, which means all vertex angles are 90 and opposite sides are equal. So let's just write that down. Since quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, which means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Next, chord of angle ABD. Chord is reciprocal of tan, which means base upon hypotenuse, which is AB upon AD. And this is given equal to 1.5, which is 15 upon 10, which is 3 upon 2. So again, it's not that AB is equal to 3. AB is a factor of 3, is a multiple of 3, not factor, which means let AB is equal to 3x. Therefore, AD is equal to 2x. So if AB is equal to 3x, AD is equal to 2x. Now in right triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem, what I get is BD square is equal to 3x whole square plus 2x whole square, which means this is equal to 9x square plus 4x square, that 13x square. This is BD square, which means BD is equal to x root 13, and this is given equal to 26, which means x is equal to 26 upon root 13. Let's rationalize, multiply both numerator and denominator by root 13. What we get is point number 6, which is x is equal to 26 root 13 upon 13, 13 1, 13 2. So this is equal to 2 root 13 centimeter, which means AB is equal to 3x, which is 6 root 13, which means AD is equal to 2x, which is 4 root 13 centimeter. Done. What we need to find is the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle ABCD would be equal to 2 times AB plus AD. In this case, 2 times 6 root 13 plus 4 root 13, which is 10 root 13, which means this is 20 root 13 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 20 root 13. And I know area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. In this case, AB into AD, which is 6 root 13 multiplied with 4 root 13. So this is 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 13, which is 240, and 72, 312. So 312 square centimeter. Very interesting question. Let's look at the last question that I solved with you from this exercise, or in fact from this chapter. That's question number 28. Question number 28 says 5 cos theta is equal to 3, which means cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Let's draw a rough diagram. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. Let this be the reference angle, which means in this case cos theta would be base upon hypotenuse. So that's point number 1. Point number 2, let AB is equal to 3x, therefore AC is equal to 5x. So if this is 3x, this is 5x, which means if I use Pythagoras theorem, this would be 4x. In a right triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, I'll get BC is equal to 4x. Next, we need to find cosec theta and cot theta. So let's find cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine, which means hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is 5 upon 4. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan, which means base upon perpendicular, which means 3 upon 4. Now let's substitute values. So cosec theta minus cot theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. This would be equal to 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 upon 5 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. This is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Divided by 5 plus 3, 8 upon 4. Let's do the reciprocal and multiply. So this would be 4 upon 8. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. This is 2, 1, 2, 4. This is 1 upon 4. That's the final answer. Thank you. That brings me to an end of this chapter. Some homework questions for you. Homework question for you would be question number 30, question number 27, question number 25, question number 24, question number 19, question number 17, and question number 16. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye bye.